WordPress 2.7 introduces the Upgrade tool, which you can use to upgrade WordPress when new versions become available. This tool is not available to WordPress.com users since WordPress.com is automatically updated. You access the Update tool under the Tools option on the dashboard. Let's take a look. So right now I'm on the dashboard for another site. Now this is a real blog. It's actually in operation. And I had updated it to pre-release versions of WordPress just to get a look at WordPress before we actually started working on this title. So what happened since then is that WordPress 2.7 came out, so we're ready for an update. If you've got WordPress installed on your server, WordPress 2.7 or pre-release version or later, whenever there's an update available, you will see a note right up here in the dashboard. And there's a couple of different ways you can update. One way is to just click the Update Now link. The other thing is, you notice down here it says I'm using WordPress 2.7 Release Candidate 2 with a number, and it tells me I can update to 2.7, so that's another way I can access the update feature. And then the last way that you can update it is if you look under the Tools option here in the dashboard, there's an option for upgrades. So I'm going to click that, and all three of those ways will take you to the same page. So this is the Upgrade tool. And what they're telling you here is that you can upgrade to version 2.7 automatically or download the package and install it manually. So upgrading automatically would automatically do the update for you, whereas download would require you to download the files, then upload them to your server. What I'm going to do here is just click Update Automatically. And I do want you to notice this note here. Before upgrading, please back up your database and files. This is a really good idea, especially if your blog hasn't been backed up for a while. And I'll explain how to back up your data later on in this title. For now, I'm just going to click Upgrade Automatically. Now this screen here provides information about the progress. It's downloading the update from the WordPress site, and it's unpacking it, and then it verifies the unpacked files and installs the latest version. For some updates, it might also have to upgrade the database. That means it would run a procedure on the database file to bring it up to date. And then at the very end, it would tell you whether or not it's upgraded successfully. And I've been watching this feature for a while, and it seems to work like a charm. I do also want to point out that right here you'll see the plugins, this number 2. That's telling us that 2 of the plugins need to be updated. And I'll just show you that really quickly here. There's a number of plugins installed in this WordPress blog. And whenever you've got a plugin that needs to be updated, you'll see a little pale yellow line underneath the plugin that needs to be updated. Here's one here, and there's one here. And then you have the option of getting information about the update or just upgrading automatically. If you upgrade automatically, you basically just click that link, and then it goes through the upgrade process basically the same way that it just did it for the WordPress server software. And there it goes. It's turned off the plugin, it's gotten rid of the old version, putting in the new version, upgraded it, and reactivated it, and it's all set. And then you get a link here to go back to the plugins page. And you'll see here now that number's changed to 1 because now there's only one that needs to be updated. So the Click to Upgrade feature of WordPress 2.7 makes it extremely quick and easy to update the software when new versions are available. And that's whether it's the WordPress software itself or plugins. And by having this feature built into WordPress, it's impossible to miss an update.